Okay, again in the update video that I put out on the 11th, well, earlier tonight, because this is being filmed on the Sunday the 12th of March at 7 minutes past 2 in the morning. I did mention that I'd bought one of these Poundland power banks. Now, I've already taken it to bits. I've already safely disposed of the old lithium cell that was in there because it was crap, and basically this is just now an empty plastic box. Where's my spudger? And I can get, oh, there it is. There we go, empty. Right, so yeah, you get an empty box big enough for a single 18650, and the board normally sits in that way round, like so, ish. If I can line it up, but yeah, it sits in like that, and then you plug in into the end, and you've got your 5 volts and your USB at the end, and everything in theory is hunky-dory. Unfortunately, as I say, the 18650s in this were, or the single 18650 was a pile of proverbial dog poo. Sorry Poundland, but I took it to pieces, and you recover the board, and I thought, well, I need a power bank. I'm thinking, right, okay, 18650s, yeah, just trying to unhook something from the wall here, so I thought, yeah, where are we? Come on, over here. Right. You can buy cheap enough 18650s. Really, 4200 milliamp hours? I don't think so. But Chinese no name crap ones, or you can get protected cells for a little bit more. I thought, well, do I just replace the cell or what? And then I think it was Banggood came up with a deal on these little Miko 14500s. And yeah, I know they say that these things are 1200 milliamp hours. In reality, they're probably nearer 600 to 800 milliamp hours. They're not the advertised, but then the Chinese power rating seems to be very much like Italian CB and ham radio operators, where their power is measured in sort of 10 times the amount of watts that everybody else's is. But that's another subject completely. So what I did, I actually bought the Miko cells, and they were on something like 10 for a $5 or something like that. I can't remember what it was, one of their special flash deals, which is why I spend so much time on their site, because you get something like 3 hours on, is it 3 hours on AliExpress, and something like 8 hours on Banggood for some of their deals, and when they sell out, they sell out. So if you're there, you're there. You're not. And I thought, well, what can I do? So I bought these Miko cells, and I thought, well, I want to make a power bank, and it doesn't have to be particularly high capacity. Do I buy another one for £1 and hope it's got a decent cell in it? Well, I thought no. I had plenty of these left over from Fairy Light projects. They're just the standard box, and all I've done is put a pair of those in parallel. Now, yes, I know that terminal's the wrong way round. I really should have changed it, but hey hum. But they're in parallel. One wire bridges there, and the other wire comes all the way down the back here. So let me put that there, so you can sort of see that there. The cells are removable, so if I suddenly need to put them in something else, I can. And really, that's it. It will now, because they're in parallel, two 800 milliamp hour cells, 1600 milliamps, 1.6 amps capacity. It's enough for a couple of good phone charges, or to run some small load on it. And if I want to make it completely secure, I suppose I could tape that down or glue it in some way. But you know, most of the time I just hide these things round the back of a project somewhere, and you don't need to actually see that. So just to show that it does actually work, I've got my Queasy, which is shut. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. If I turn the lights down, can it pick it up? Let's have a go. Nope. Nope. So the Queasy's probably not the best one to use, or this particular Queasy's not the best one to use. Let me go through behind the camera, and a bit of camera shake because I knocked the tripod. Let's put this one in there, like that, and yeah, that one will be better. As you see, no current being drawn at the moment. You're getting the flicker because it is being captured on the camera, but yeah, 4.91 volts, no current being drawn at the moment, but yeah, I think these boards regulate at about 500 milliamps. I haven't actually stuck one of my loads on the end yet. Well, I could do that now quickly. Yes, I've got a resistive load. What I will do is I will use the Queasy, and I'll stick that on there. That's a 1 amp load at the moment, and oh no, it's letting me draw 0.93 of an amp at just under 5 volts, 4.84 volts. So yeah, that is lighting up. So if I turn that up, so yeah, you can draw an amp off of this thing, and yeah, use the cells. If you want to put better cells in, you can, and if you don't, you don't. There you go. I thought that might be interesting for somebody to watch, and if you do like it, thanks very much. If you don't, just tell me, and I'll try not to be so boring in future. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye for now.